money, take money, earn crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah.
House full of kilos, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what to learn like. Young home still freeload. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your dinner. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal.
Hey guys, what's up? Hunter here. Today I am selling my bike for the hopefully selling my bike, because this bike doesn't have the power I wanted it to have, and I thought it would be a little more easy to modify, but I probably should have researched those things before I got it. So hopefully this weekend, if the guy shows up and pays me and takes the bike and likes the bike and wants to take it, I'll be having to get it'll be 2016 Honda CRF 250L, the street legal version, because I want to be able to legal it one day. So that's my plan. It's gonna be good. Also, another reason I'm wanting to sell it is it does wheelies perfectly fine. Oh, it's neutral. But when I do wheelies, the chain flies off. Especially on clutch up wheelies. I figured I'd take it for a little rip, this bike, because the guy's supposed to be coming today, and he should be. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna miss that. So yeah. Yeah, I'm real pumped and excited for this, because I can get a brand name. If I want to get parts, go on Amazon, type in that name, and I freaking get all the parts I need. And I don't have to search some weird websites that I've never heard of before. But I want this to be mostly off-road until I get my license. So if you guys enjoy the video, give it a huge thumbs up, and I will, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Make money, take money, earn crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah.